First, pass the transparent cover through the silicone neon. Ensure that the light-emitting surface of the silicone neon aligns with the arrow direction on the transparent cover. Insert the conductive connector. Make sure the connector pins are inserted between the two copper plates. Install the first layer of fastening clip. Keep the light-emitting surface of the silicone neon facing upward and attach the fastening clip from the bottom of the silicone neon. Install the second layer of fastening clip. Align it with the oval-shaped position and secure it properly. Push the transparent cover firmly. When the internal locking point of the transparent cover snaps into the small hole of the fastening clip, you will hear a click sound. This indicates the assembly is complete.